Cancer. New efforts to take responsibility as shown in the Cancer December month horoscope, having a Mars transisting Libra all month long while forming tense connections to the back moon and Uranus. You seem eager to impose harmony within family, hoping to so to provide stability you need. And the stars surely indicate supplementary aspects bring concern like to usual activities and habits. Right path is waiting for you. Therefore, especially the first of the month comes along the great efforts means to answer complaints or judgments you face. The best way to deal with them is honesty, admit the responsibility you are able to and eager to take most what compromises you can do it in order to ensure support either for your professional team to or for your family. The Saturn Neptune square might bring a confusion, making quite difficulty this honest admission of facts. But at the same time, other astrological aspects will provide you chance to change your principles about taking responsibilities. What is for sure doesn't must not become like prison for you, prevent you from fulfill your highest personal social professional potential. I mean, yeah, a serious talks for the that goes very long. See, in last decade of December, you need to for feeling for a part of something, family, group of friends, association, and company project country is too so big that you will be highly motivated to enhance it seriously to negotiate with the partners, authorities to calculate risks to plan a action on a long-term basis. All these are meant to bring you security and social importance. Some of may you may plan a marriage even very end of year can be for intense and practical communication, and you will be find the joint of the moons, Jupiter, and the north node in the Virgo. It could be a time for travel. So too. Nevertheless, at time discussions might be felt like too cool as they set in the most structural way to purpose of stability. So this is about for Cancer December month. Subscribe.